What's up guys, welcome back to the One Auto channel. As the title suggests, just want to share with you what happened back in October the 22nd, 2017. Pretty self-explanatory, but I was burgled. I had some scumbags come in and, well, you'll see. Let's just take a look at the CCTV footage now. So there we go, 3:03, 22nd of October. Scumbag number one comes to have a look at the door, checks it out, and he goes back to his mate hiding behind the wall. And then it's like a minute or so later, they tool up, put scarves around their faces, and come back to have a go at the padlock and the door lock. So pretty Neanderthal way of doing it. However, he done it, and now some scum think it's alright to do this and then just steal from people and go home and go sleep. Absolute arseholes. Anyhow, this is it. Painful to watch, to be fair. Breaks in, breaks the lock, breaks the door, then they get in. So flick now to the workshop. Now my alarm's going off. The unit, the box on the right hand side. So this guy comes in. The scumbag one comes in, and he's straight round to what he knows. He's been here before. Scumbag 2 sees my alarm, which is about to call me any minute, smashes it to pieces. It's still going off because it's got a battery backup, and smashes it to pieces on the floor. Thanks very much, mate. So anyway, he's found me petty cash box, which has no more than 20 quid in. So they dropped a £5 on the floor, and that one's took a tenner. He has a look in the cupboard. There's a laptop in there that I use for my scope. He's not spotted it. Anyway, I reckon they're looking for some diagnostic equipment, but they won't find it because that comes home with me. So anyway, they go. Scumbag 1's on the right. Scumbag 2 is checking my car, checking the drawers, but they're all locked. Not that bothered about it. The other one's done a lap, and he comes back round. So they open the cupboard. So all that's in there really is some, special tools, blah blah blah, rivets. They're all over the floor now. So Scumbag 2. He's a bit pissed off, can't find what he wants, so I'll tell you what, we'll try and break that window. He don't. I will give a good go on the back window. Yeah. Cheers, arsehole. Now that annoyed me more than bloody anything. Anyway, Scumbag 1's back in, found the laptop. Laptop's not expensive, £180 brand new, but it's not the point. And he can't use it because it's coded, and he hasn't used it because I had a tracker, used the Microsoft tracker on it, and it's never been switched back onto the internet. Anyway, they leave the lights on and they go out. So this is early hours on Sunday morning. So my alarm didn't ring me. I knew nothing about it till I saw that on Monday morning, and that was my alarm, and that was the state of the workshop, and that pissed me off. So there we go then, guys. Now you've seen it. I did share that CCTV with the police, but they've come up with nothing. Needless to say, security measures have been improved at the front and at the rear. I've got barriers in place now. You can only do so much, I suppose. If people want to get in, they're going to get in, whether it be at work, whether it be at home. It's just quite violating when someone's been in. But there we are then, guys. Not to worry, I thought I'd share it with you. These are just some of the things that we have to go through in life, no doubt. And that one was my time. Anyway, guys, if you do have any information, if you recognise some of these scum, contact the Northamptonshire Police. But if they can't come up with them, if they can't come up with who it is, then I don't suppose any of us will. Never mind. Thanks, guys. See you on the next one.